Here's how to make money online the easy way in just minutes a day. Now anyone can make more money faster with our simple system. No experience is necessary. Whether you are an online beginner or a seasoned marketer looking for an easy way to make more money, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full-time almost since the start of the internet. And it's not just about the money, it's about creating time freedom and lifestyle too. Thanks to what I do online, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while I'm making money. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So there are lots of ways to make money online. And over the years, I've done several of them. But here's the thing. Most of them are far more difficult than you first thought, and they take way too much time. Unfortunately, there is a lot of hype in our industry. It's no wonder so many people have given up in complete frustration. Well, I have a solution to share. It's what I do myself to make money online. Anyone can copy what I do. It's simple, it's affordable, it only takes minutes a day. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity. That just means you sell someone else's product and get paid. I love affiliate marketing. It's all done online. There are no products to handle. You don't have to talk to anyone. You can do this business at a schedule you choose, and because it's all done online, you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. Our team has people from all over the world making serious money just copying our system. It's beginner simple. If you can use email and copy simple instructions, you have all the skills you need. We market a unique product everyone wants, literally everyone. And that's a big part of why this has become the fastest growing home business in the industry today and why it's so simple. Our team will give you everything you need. In fact, many new people make money their first day. You'll have your own high-converting marketing system with lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails to send out on autopilot. Your marketing system will be just like mine, but personalized to brand and promote you. All of the techie stuff is done for you. You don't have to create anything. We'll provide terrific training, both live and recorded to watch later. We have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. As for the money, you can get paid every week by direct deposit and earn recurring or passive income too. That's the money that keeps coming in month after month for the business you do each day. I love this passive income. It's what really sets you free. It's what really leverages your time. And in case you're wondering, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products. I hate that. So to learn more about how to make money online the easy way and to start making money today, take our online tour at easymoneypath.com.